My name is Deana and I live in Florida in the United States. I am a project manager and I very much enjoy what I do, and I'm always looking for other ways to expand my knowledge. So I am currently a project manager for wastewater equipment. We manufacture the wastewater equipment here in the United States. I have been doing that at this company for about 5 years. Very much enjoy what I get to do, and it's a great company to work for. Actually, the reason I decided to do this particular is I have some personal projects that I want to work on my own that are not job related, but could definitely be good for the future going forward. So I took this class so that I could build my skills so I could be more comfortable in building and managing apps and using AI in a more forward-facing role versus just trying to catch up to the crowds. Being that it was Microsoft was definitely a key factor because Microsoft has a wonderful reputation. I started researching because, like I said, I have some personal projects I want to work on, and so I started doing some research. This particular program had excellent reviews, had a great format when I was looking at basically what am I going to learn, what skills will I be able to take from this. This was a great program to match what it was I was looking for. So this class was not in large groups, so that made it very nice. And you were able to engage with the instructor during the program when you were working on the different things, but also there is a chat box type thing that you can message with them later on, so you were always able to get assistance if you needed assistance. You were able to work ahead if you needed to work ahead. It was just really flexible with your timing and very respectful of your time, so I like that about it. I really enjoyed getting into the deeper knowledge of how AI works and how to use it. To me, that was my favorite, probably towards the end. I definitely liked it more. I felt like it was more beneficial to what I want to do. I felt like the Simplilearn team was extremely responsive. At no point was I ever left feeling like I couldn't get something done simply because I was waiting on a response. So it was very helpful. So I'm going to work on some projects and kind of see where they take me, but probably I will use it more outside of my current role than I will in my current role, but you never know. It could be beneficial in my current role as well. I absolutely love sitting at the beach. It's very reinvigorating. You can catch your breath and figure it all out. I am always looking for ways to challenge myself. So I am always looking for ways to work harder on my education, learn more so I can do things. I know one thing that I do intend to do is work on building a game for my grandson and I to work on together, so that'll be a fun project to work on as well. I think it is extremely important to keep learning. You always want to be relevant in the industry, and things change so quickly that if you do not keep challenging yourself and giving yourself better skills, then eventually you're going to be irrelevant in the market